So why exactly should you be investing in this project? You see, the project features a robust community ecosystem, as you can see, making it highly desirable for future tenants and end users. Let's also understand a little bit about the builder. You see, the builder has always focused on steady execution and credibility, that in diverse portfolio ranges from nature-centric projects to something even different. A premium residential project which is a development and an ideal mix of modern living and strategic convenience. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the project overview of Hallmark Skyrina by Hallmark Builders, which is located on Langar House Road, Narsingi, Hyderabad. But before starting, this is what the surrounding of your project is going to look like. Now your sales office is present exactly over here, and this entire place is what your land parcel is going to look like. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Not like any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now in this video, we will also be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and a lot more. So let's get this video started. Firstly, let's get to understand about the project. So this project, as you can see, is constructed on 6.9 acres of land parcel featuring 5 towers with 2 basement ground and 14 floors. Now it also includes your 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Now let's get to know about the location. So as you can see, this is the exact location of your project, which is located on Langar House Road, Narsingi. Now let's talk about the distance connectivity part. So your Nehru Outer Ring Road is just 1.6 kilometers away from here. Your Wasabi College of Engineering is also just 2.6 kilometers away. Now coming over to the amenities part, of course the project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities, and as you can see, firstly you have over here your grand kids play area. Then you will also find your multi-purpose sports courts. And then you have your grand clubhouse, as you can see, where you will have fully equipped gymnasium and a lot more. Now, if all this while you have been planning to buy a house here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. That is, you definitely need to watch our Rights of Home Buyer series. So why exactly should you watch it? Sometimes you may pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking. And after that, sometimes you will have construction quality related issues, leakage issues. Sometimes you don't even know what liabilities. And as a home buyer, it's very important to know all of your legal rights. Therefore, we have explained all of these topics in a very simple and easy to understandable manner. And that's why I suggest that you do go watch our series, and the link for it is in the description below. Let's understand the super built-up area. For 2 BHK, the configuration is 1325 square feet and 3 BHK is 1635 to 2255 square feet. Let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open. The clients are invited here at the site where the sales team will explain the entire project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. Now, if you also want to visit the sample flat apartment, they will show you that as well. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the project overview of Hallmark Skyrina by Hallmark Builders, which is located on Langar House Road, Narsingi, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey and do not forget to click on the link which is mentioned in the description below, from where you can easily download your e-brochures and your pricing sheets, and do not forget to go to our official website.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.